Hey folks on YouTube, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I just wanted to make this video. I guess I was, I guess I got lucky to get my hand on an Asus TUF RTX 3080. This is the non-overclock model, and I'm gonna unbox it right now. And install it on my PC. I was very lucky. I kept trying for about a couple of weeks until I was able to get one from Newegg Business from SRB for the normal price $6.99. So that was good. Hopefully, guys will be able to, and the stock gets better. But I just wanted to do unboxing. I'm gonna review that card sometime on my channel. So I'm not really a big YouTuber or anything. I just wanted to get unboxing because it's very interesting. Unboxing the box that came from Newegg. The Asus box came a double box, I guess. I mean, I've never got a video card that actually boxed it this way. So we have like a main box. And then I guess inside the actual normal box of the Asus TUF RTX 3080. So I just find it very interesting that it's like that. But here we go. So I'm just gonna open this up. There we go. I'm very excited. I have an 8700K. I have a water cooled system, so I will be getting a water block for this. Probably will be, hopefully, one of the first folks on YouTube to put this in water on my PC, and I'm probably gonna upgrade to Ryzen 5900X on November 5th. And I'm gonna install this with the I'm gonna get the water block by the end of this month, so I'm gonna make a video on that. So if you like to watch this water cool, just I guess subscribe and you can watch the video, and I'm gonna make it by the end of the beginning of November. So here we go. Asus TUF RTX 3080. All right. Okay. Wow, it's really great boxing. I mean, it's very strange that they did it this way. Like normally you're gonna get just normally you're gonna get just a box, but very strange. So you take this out. Go. Okay. Wow. I'm super excited, to be honest with you. I mean, this is awesome. So here it is, folks. I know everybody got the older viewers, the tech reviewers got the overclocked version, but I'm actually happy that I didn't pay the $50 because they are basically the same cards, and hopefully I should be able to overclock this as much as the overclocked version, and they should have, you guys know that they should have the better capacitors on the back. So open this up. I'm very excited. That's awesome. And it's my first time that I get a card like on launch date, or like near launch date. I normally wait for a little bit, but I got really excited for the RTX 3080 because I'm gonna upgrade, by the way, to an RTX 2080. So okay, folks, cares about the boxes? There we go. Cards. Yep, got all the ceramic capacitors on the back. So I mean most likely I knew it was like a driver problem, not exactly capacitor issue, but this is, I mean, these are the better capacitors. So let's see. There we go. Okay. Wow. That's not as a large card as I thought. It's a relatively big card, but not as big as I was expecting, honestly. But here it is, folks. RTX Asus TUF RTX 3080. Card looks awesome. It does look awesome, really. I mean the AVGA cards look terrible in my opinion. The TUF one is honestly the best looking card as far as I can see. I mean, it doesn't have crazy RGBs or anything like that. Okay, there we go. Moving the plastic. And it's like the only card that has full metal cover, full aluminum metal. This looks awesome. Card looks really classy. Alright, so I'm gonna put this on air, unfortunately, until I get my water block on an 8700K, and I'll probably report back in another video. But the clocks and the overclocks of this card, the non-overclock model. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and hopefully if you're planning to get an RTX 3080, to be able to get one soon. I know that they're coming in stock more often now. Just keep an eye on I guess Amazon and Newegg, most likely now, and probably Best Buy. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in another video.